Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use this integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to tan of t over 2. So in here we will got about two things. That's about sin s equal to 2t over 1 minus t squared. Positive. And cosine s we change for 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. And then ds we will change for 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So now we put everything go in here. About sin s, that's about this one. Cosine s, that's about this one. And this one will go in here. ds we change for this one. So 1 plus t squared multiplied by this one, and you will got about 2t minus 1 plus t squared plus t plus 3t squared. And number 2 I will put outside. So t squared and number 3 will go about 4. Negative number 1 plus 3 you go about 2. So we have number 2, number 2, number 2, and number 4. We simplify this one. And we will got about 2t squared plus t plus 1. This number 3 in here we multiply by 1 plus t squared over 1 plus t squared. So you got about negative number 3 and negative 3t squared. And now we combine three fractions in here. So 1 minus 3 you got about negative number 2. T squared with negative number 3 you got about negative number 4. And this one we need to arrange a little bit. So this one you got about negative 4t squared plus 2t minus number 2. And 1 plus t squared go to the denominator. Now we do about partial fractions. So I will put about at plus b over 1 plus t squared. And we have ct plus d over 2t squared plus t plus 1. So we do common denominator. So we have at plus b multiplied by this one. So we got about at plus b multiplied by 2t squared plus t plus 1. And the next one ct plus d multiplied by 1 plus t squared. So we need to expand everything in here. And we got about 2at to the power of 3 plus at squared plus at, and we have 2bt squared plus bt plus b. The next one we got about ct plus ct squared plus d plus dt squared. And now we need to arrange based on the term of t. The first one is about t to the power of 3. So we have 2a. The next one is about t squared. So we have a 2b plus c plus d. About t, so we have a b c. About nothing, we have b and d. So we have this one, and now we need to compare coefficients in here. So we have t to the power of 3, but this one we don't have t to the power of 3. That means 2a equals to number 0. Next one, this one we have t squared, and t squared you got about negative number 4. That means this one in here equal to negative number 4. This one a plus b plus c, we have number 2. b plus d, we have negative number 2. And now we create the system of equations. So we have 2a equals to number 0. a plus 2b plus c plus d equals to negative number 4. a plus b plus c equals to number 2. b plus d equals to negative number 2. And now we find the solution of a, b, c, d. I need to edit about this one. This is about ct to the power of 3. So we have c in here. So that is not the c square in here. So we just put in here. So we got about 8 equal to negative number 2, b equal to number 0, c equal to number 4, d equals to number 2. This is negative number 2. So after we find a, b, c, d, now we return back to this one. So a is about negative number 2, b is about 0, c is about number 4, and d is about negative number 2. The integral of this one, we will got about negative ln of the absolute value of 1 plus t square. Now we go to this one. So I will put number 2 outside. So 1 over 2, that's about number 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. So we need to have 1 over 16. Later that we need to minus 1 over 16. And this one we will got about 7 over 16. So this one in here, we can do about identity. And now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about t plus 1 over 4 equals to the square root of number 7 over 4. So I will put about tan t. So if we put this one go in here, you got about 7 over 16 tan t square. We can do factorization, and we have tan t square plus 1. We change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify dt. Because we still have t in here, so we put 1 over 4 go to the right. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we put this one go in here. T, we change for this one. dt, we change for this one. So this one we got about 7 over 16 tan t square. So we have 7 over 16, 7 over 16. We can do about factorization. So this one we change for secant of t square. And now we simplify secant of t square. And we have 1 over 2 square root of number 7 over 4, 7 over 16. We combine 3 fractions together, and you will got about 2 multiplied by the square root of number 7 over 7. So number 4 multiplied by this one and this one. This one you got about negative number 3. And now we got a final answer. The integral of tan t, you will got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t. The integral of number 3, you got about t. And we put about c. Now, we need to return back in here. So, let's change t into z. So everything in here we change for z. So I just add this into z. So now we got about this one in here. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 7 over 4. And we got about z equal to r tan of this one. So we put this one to replace for z. And now we need to return back to this one. So we will got like this. So that after we got like this, we know that t dash e about the first one in here. Oh sorry, this one we change t equal to tan of s over 2, sorry about that. So we put this one to change to this one. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.